Redmi has launched its new K-series phone in China called Redmi K80 Ultra, with smart AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi K80 Ultra features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution OLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 3200 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Dragon Crystal glass on the top. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, paired with Immortalis G925 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi K80 Ultra features a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 119-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 20-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7410 mAh battery, with 100 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on HyperOS 2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.08 by 77.93 by 8.18 millimeters, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi K80 Ultra has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in sandstone gray, moon rock white, spruce green, and ice blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi K80 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.